supposed to hit the X.
Well, I landed.
Yeah. It's a windy day.
It's way windier than yesterday. And this canopy is 40 feet smaller than the one yesterday.
Wah.
I know. Excuses.
That means you should have been on it.
I know. Happy birthday to me. You know what? I held my breath when I was going through the cloud. It scared the shit out of me.
Yeah.
Okay, not literally. That's the first time I've flown through a cloud. And I don't know why I held my breath, but I thought I needed to.
That's not a cloud. It's industrial haze.
That's haze. Right.
That's, yeah.
So I was very thankful that the experienced jumpers helped me to find my way, because there's only a few things that you could see around here. There's this big circle pond over there, and I know where it's at. So this field was not quite visible. We shouldn't tell anybody that. But going through the clouds was awesome. It was so cool. What an awesome frickin' birthday.
Is that your first cloud?
That's my first
You
cloud.
popped your cloud cherry.
Yay!
Woo!
First cloud on my birthday.
I mean, you know, haze. Yeah, haze.
Haze. Yeah. And my phone stayed here. I was a little concerned, but at least my shirt wasn't up around my neck like yesterday.
Hey, well, take some trips.
Yeah. Awesome.